New strategies are putting Chelsea dental implant clinics at the top of local patient searches. Your next implant patient is searching now. Consider this: emergency dental searches convert 89% higher. This intent is powerful. Nearly 28% of all local near-me searches result in an actual visit or purchase. But what if your top ranking in Chelsea is a failing grade? Just a few streets away, it's a common problem. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the exact methods to capture these patients and solve that visibility puzzle. So where does this fight for local patients begin? It starts with your digital reception desk, your Google business profile. First, a complete Google profile makes you 70% more likely to attract patient visits from your area. Second, Google watches your review velocity and your response rate more than just your star rating. Third, listing as a dental clinic instead of dental implant provider hides you from your ideal patient searches. Let's pause on reviews. A massive 84% of patients check them before choosing a dentist. This is a primary signal Google uses to rank you. For implant cases, the patient's research is longer. They read your review responses, looking for proof and professionalism in the text. Why does Google inspect these details so heavily? Because dentistry is your money or your life content, demanding proof of EEAT. Your profile builds trust with patients, but how do you prove it to Google's algorithm? What are the technical signals it's looking for? A major trust killer is inconsistent name, address, and phone number online. If your details don't match everywhere, Google loses confidence. Another is schema markup, a code that explains your site to search engines, adding star ratings and hours directly to search results. Do you see the pattern here? These technical details are not for developers. They are Google's method of verifying you are a legitimate local practice. Consistent business information proves your authoritativeness. Correct schema proves your expertise. This is how you satisfy the EEAT standards. Now, let's look at where most patients see this: their phone. The vast majority use mobile for research, and Google now ranks your mobile site first. And this is where most dental websites are failing. Mobile pages loading in under 3 seconds have much higher conversion. The average dental site takes over 7. Every extra second of load time is a potential patient clicking back to choose your competitor. Slow speed is a direct ranking penalty. The new methods involve studying your top Chelsea competitors. Check their mobile speed, their Google categories, and their reviews to see this in action. So the question is, are you making the same mobile performance mistakes that your competitors are already using against you? We asked how Google technically confirms trust. Beyond your site, it seeks endorsements, backlinks from local sites, and consistent mentions online. Here's the critical shift. For implant practices, the Google Maps local pack is more valuable than the traditional #1 organic spot. And that map pack ranking isn't uniform. You can be #1 at your address, but totally invisible just a mile down the road. This means a generic implant page isn't sufficient. You need dedicated pages optimized for each key neighborhood you serve in Chelsea. With all these moving parts, the map pack, hyperlocal ranks, patient intent, how does it all connect into a single winning strategy? Let's connect the dots. Recall the 89% conversion rate for urgent searches. Now, combine that intent with neighborhood-specific pages. That is a powerful combination. We know the implant patient's research is extensive. They are reading your Google business profile reviews. It's not just for ranking, it's for conversion. Here is the most important connection to make. The Google Map Pack is the final expression of EEAT for local healthcare. It is not a separate system. Consider this. Your reviews, profile data, business consistency, and mobile speed are all trust signals that feed directly into your map ranking. These are not random tips. They are the core components of the new integrated search strategy for Chelsea's dental implant clinics. Success requires 3 things. First, perfecting your Google storefront. Second, building a flawless technical foundation. Third, executing a hyper-local street-by-street plan. Understanding how these pieces connect is the single biggest advantage you can have. While others see fragments, you can now master the entire system. This system shows how visibility becomes trust. With the right expert support, clinics can move from being seen to being chosen.